What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, Juice and Toya.
Welcome back to another video.
So today we're going to take you through a full body cardio workout.
Yep.
So you don't need any equipment for this workout, but you will need a towel just because we're going to sweat. You will need a water bottle and a soft surface like a yoga mat.
Yes, so we're gonna do 2 separate groups of 5 exercises. All right, we're gonna do each exercise for 20 seconds. No rest in between, but we are gonna do each group for 3 total sets. So we'll make sure to give you a 30-second rest in between each set,
Yep.
all right? And we're also gonna finish the workout with a little ab burner at the end,
Yep.
all right?
So if you wanna push yourself or you're a little more advanced, you'll wanna follow me.
Yes, and if you need the regress version of some of those exercises or you're a beginner, have some limitations, you can follow me for the modified version.
Exactly. All right, so if you need a little warm up before you
Yes,
get started, be sure
do
to
that
stretch.
now.
Otherwise, let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
All right guys, we're gonna get started in about 20 seconds. So I will show on the screen what will be the next exercise as we go.
Yep, our first exercise is gonna be a high knee. So remember, if you're watching me, I will be providing the modifications for all the exercise.
Yep.
All right, so getting started with the high knee in 5 seconds.
Yep. And go.
All right, so if you're following me, we're still doing high knees, just marching a little slower, trying to drive our knee up as high as we can.
Yep. Big arms. All right, next exercise, we're gonna go into a skip, 2, 1. Nice little bounce.
All right, so if you're following me, very similar to a high knee, just adding a bounce at the bottom.
Yep.
Good, try to still drive that knee up as high as you can.
Yep. All right, next exercise, we're gonna do a squat to jack. 3, 2, 1.
All right, if you're following me, we're taking the squat out. If you're having a little trouble with the coordination, you can also follow me and just do the jumping jack.
Yep. All right, next exercise, lateral bounds from side to side. 2, 1, go.
All right, if you're following me, we're also bounding side to side, but using our foot as a little balance in the back.
Yep. All right, last exercise, we're gonna do an icky shuffle, side to side. 2, 1, bounce, bounce, stick. Yep.
All right, if you're following me, we're also doing the same thing, slow it down if you need to.
Last 10 seconds. 3, 2. All right, that'll do it. First set down. Good.
All right, so we're gonna take a 30-second break here. We're gonna repeat that 2 more times.
Yes, so this is all about how many reps you can get in those 20 seconds for each exercise. So let's try to push it. Let's try to do a few more reps than we did the last set.
Now you have a handle of the flow under your belt, so now we're gonna pick up the pace just a little bit.
Yep. All right, start back with the high knees in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, let's do it.
All right, so if you're following me, let's see if we can pick it up just a little bit.
Yep. Let's get some speed.
Great job, guys.
All right, next we're going to the skip and go. Let's get a few more reps.
Yep.
Nice little bounce, standing ball to your feet.
Gotta get those arms involved. All right, in 5 seconds, we're going back to the squat and jack. All right, and if you're following me, we're just doing the jumping jack. All right, in 5 seconds, we're going back to the bounds.
3.
All right, good. Keep up the pace. Flowing right into the next exercise. Great job, guys. 5 more seconds. Back to the shuffle.
Let's get the reps.
Drive that knee up when you stick your foot.
5. Nice.
All right.
Good.
Another 30-second break here.
Yep.
All
Yep.
right.
Your heart rate should be up now.
Should be warm.
A little bit.
Should be nice and warm.
Grab a drink, grab a towel. Let's finish this last set strong.
Yep. All right. So you got about 15 seconds rest and we're going right back to the high knees. This is our last set of the circuit, all right? So push yourself to get as many reps as you can here.
Yep. Back to the high knees.
All right.
Big knees, big arms. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
All right, so if you've been following me, see if you can follow what Julius is doing now. This is the last set. Do as many reps as you can with Julius, and then you can revert back to the modification.
All right, 3 seconds, we'll go to the skip. Nice bounce. Let's get some speed.
Great job, 10 more seconds here.
Back to the squat jacks in 3, 2, boom. Let's get some reps. Last set, let's go.
And remember, if you still need that modification, you can always fall back to it. This is the last rep of these exercises.
All right, back to the bounce, side to side.
Right, keep your core engaged, stay controlled.
Don't sacrifice form, stay tight. We're almost there, 10 seconds. All right, last shuffle.
Great job, 5 more seconds.
All right, good work.
All right.
That's the first set.
That's it, that was the first circuit. We're done with that, moving on to the second.
Sweating already.
All right.
Let's get it. All right, we're gonna start the second group of exercises. Same format.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna start with a standing knee to elbow, touch, 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 crunching across the body.
Yep, we're doing the same thing, just slowing it down a little bit, focusing on form and driving up that knee.
5 seconds, 4, knee to elbow, and go. Big cross.
Good, so keep your core tight. Good. Great job.
All right, next we're gonna go into burpees. Everybody's favorite. Go.
All right, if you're following me, we're gonna reach up at the top, step our feet back at the bottom, and walk our feet back in. Good.
All right, next we're going to mountain climbers. And go.
All right, if you're following me, we're slowing down the climber a little, focusing on driving our knees each rep.
Next, we're gonna go into toe tap, same position, tapping the hand to the toe. And
Right.
go.
And if you're following me, we're just gonna tap our knees.
Yep.
Great job, guys. We're almost done with that first set. Push yourself.
Last exercise, plank with the tuck, and go. Lift your hips and drive underneath.
All right, and if you're following me, instead of tucking, we're gonna tap out, still in the plank position.
Yep.
If that's too difficult, feel free to come up on your palms, still tapping out.
3, 2. Good job. First set
all
down.
right. First set done, guys.
Yo.
2 more times here. And then remember, we're finishing with a nice little ab burner at the end. All right, take 20 more seconds, grab water, grab a towel, and we'll be right back for the knee to elbow.
We're sweating.
Oh yeah.
Let's get it.
Heart rate is up.
Yep. All right, back to that knee to elbow. Try to get a good crunch across the body.
All right, 5 seconds, ready? And go.
Be sure to breathe. Don't forget to do that.
Yes. Good. Going back to the burpees after this. All right. So remember, stepping back, reaching up. Stepping back, reaching up. Great job, 10 more seconds.
Next, we're going back to the mountain climbers.
All right, and go. So if you're following me, see if you can pick up the pace just a little. We're only here for 15 more seconds. Push yourself.
Seconds. Okay, toe tap.
Oops. Did the wrong toe tap.
She's jumping the gun.
We're doing knee taps if you're following me.
Yep.
Good job, guys. 5 more seconds here. Then we're down to toe taps if you're following me. And go. So we're either tapping our toes or tucking our knees. Either way, we're moving.
Yep.
Good, 10 more seconds. All right.
Good work.
All right.
One more.
Great job.
One more set.
Oh man, oh yeah.
Are you sweating?
That's a cardio workout.
Oh yeah, she's sweating.
That's a cardio workout.
I don't feel bad now.
20 more seconds, guys. This is our last set here. So if you've been following me for the modifications, let's see if we can pick it up and follow what Julius is doing.
Yep.
And if it gets too difficult, you can always fall back to the modification,
That's
all right? Okay.
Big knee to elbow, 3 seconds. 2, 1. Big twist.
Good, remember you can slow it down if you need to, but this is the last set. See if you can really push yourself here. 5 more seconds.
Back to the burps.
All right.
Nice, last 10. Let's get a couple more. All right, back to the climbers.
All right, climbing for 30.
Yep. Get some reps. Last 10.
Yep. Good, 3. All
Toe
right.
tap. Keep those hips nice and flat, best you can.
Yep.
Tap the toe.
Remember, you can always revert back to the knee tap if you need to.
All right, last plank with the tuck. Let's push it. Let's get a few more reps.
Yep, it's the last one here. Halfway, guys, 10 more seconds. All right.
Good work.
Andra.
Okay, that was the main set.
Oh yeah.
Now, if you know our workouts by now, you know that's not
there's
it.
always a finisher.
We're gonna finish with a core finisher, okay?
Yep.
So we're gonna do 40 seconds on of 3 different exercises.
Yep.
And then we'll give you a 20-second break in between.
20-second break in between.
And then we'll finish all the way through 3 exercises, okay?
Yep. All right.
We'll start in about 20 seconds here.
Yep, so we'll meet you guys on your mats, on the ground.
Yep, grab a drink.
Grab a drink, grab a towel. We'll meet you back here for some flutter kicks.
Yep, we're gonna start with some flutter kicks. Straight legs out.
Yep.
Okay. Again, 20 seconds in between, 40 seconds on, and go.
All right. Feel free to have your hand underneath lower back or your hips if you need that support. If not, you can have them behind the head at your side. Really push your core down, push your belly button down through the ground to protect your lower back. Right, keep pushing, more reps, more reps.
4, 3, 2. Okay, take 20 seconds. Let the abs simmer down a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, next we're gonna go into some Russian twists. Again, 40 seconds. Try to get as many reps as you can get.
Yep. If you're needing a modification, you can keep those heels down on the ground. If not, try to have them leveled up, all right?
Yep. Big twist.
All right, so the modification is the heels down, but if that is too easy and you wanna challenge yourself, lift those feet up.
Yep. Try to tap those fingertips to the ground. Last 20. Last 10.
Good. All right.
Take 20.
Yep.
Last thing we're gonna do, sit up, 1, 2 with the jab, okay? For 40 seconds, okay?
If that's too difficult, you can just come up into the sit-up or crunch as high as you can, all right?
Last thing, guys, 5 seconds.
Here we go.
4, 3, 2, sit up, 1, 2.
20 seconds of work, or sorry, 40 seconds of work, 40 seconds of work.
Yeah. We're getting some,
Can't shortchange you.
getting a little boxing action in there. Okay, 20 more seconds. Get a good twist on that jab.
Again, if this is too difficult, you can crunch up or just do the sit-up.
Yep. That's 5. All right, guys. Good work. I love it.
All right. Great job, guys. So, should have a sweat going, heart rate should be up, should be nice and warm. So hopefully you enjoyed that cardio workout just as much as we did.
Yes, so if you haven't joined our channel before, we have plenty of workouts just like this. We have bodyweight workouts, dumbbell workouts, barbell workouts, you name it.
Medicine ball workouts, all the workouts, all the workouts.
So go check those out.
Yep.
But with that being said, we thank you for joining us.
Yes.
And we hope you see you at the next workout.
See you at the next one, guys. Great job, great job.